The side effects for the Moderna vaccine sound concerning. We looked. After the second dose, at least 80% of participants experienced a systemic side effect, ranging from severe chills to fevers. So, are these vaccines safe?
Well, the FDA, not being pressured, will look hard at that. The FDA is the gold standard of regulators, and their current guidance on this, if they stick with that, is very, very appropriate. And you know, the side effects were not super severe. That is, it didn't cause permanent health problems for the things there. Moderna did have to go with a fairly high dose, and so to get the antibodies. Some of the other vaccines are able to go with lower doses to get responses that are pretty high, including the J&J and the Pfizer. And so there's a lot of characteristics of these vaccines. It's great that we have multiple of them that are going out there. And yes, I think
you know the data better than I do. But the data showed that everybody with a high dose had a side effect.
Yeah, but some of that is not dramatic, where it's just super painful. But yes, we need to make sure there's not severe side effects. The FDA, I think, will do a good job of that, despite the pressure.
Most people don't know that the FDA, most of the money the FDA gets comes directly from the pharmaceutical company, right?
That's right. This was a new program that was passed years ago, where the pharmaceutical companies wanted to roll out drugs that much quicker. The 2/3 of the funding for the approval process is actually coming from within the industry. And of course, we've talked about before on your program, this is a revolving door basically from FDA back to industry and back and so forth. But they're spending hundreds of millions of dollars to expedite the process. And we know when these drugs come out, the newer drugs, and they come out quicker and quicker and they haven't been properly vetted, those are usually the drugs that end up with black box warnings.
What it is, it's where the drug companies have the chance to pay the FDA to hurry up their drug. And I think that right now they get about 3/4 of all the new drug money comes from, and this is the pharmaceutical companies. The drug companies are paying the FDA to approve their products. The FDA again and again has dropped the ball.